This is the V398 missile shooting helicopter. Decorated with a sleek design, this 3-channel heli also comes strapped with a machine gun capable of shooting up to 6 rounds per flight. With this heli, you have the option of shooting single rounds or continuous bursts. Equipped with fire-ready missiles, not only are they easy to find, but they are extremely easy to lock and load. Just push, click, and you're ready for action. The built-in advanced gyro system provides immaculate speed control and stability, letting you lock onto your target with ease. While this heli is quick fun for all flying levels, its durability is also impressive. In case your adventures get too intense, you are well equipped with extra main blades, tail blades, as well as extra missiles, allowing you to continue with the fun. Get the radically new V398 at xheli.com.